Very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 8, multiples and factors. So first of all, we will do what are multiples. Clear? So students, multiples of a number is a result of multiplying that number by integers. Integers are whole numbers. Whole number means that you have to write down the multiple, means table only. You write now table. So similarly, first see the first example. If I tell you write down the sum multiples of 2, so what do you write? You write down the table of 2 only. If I am asking the write down the table of 3, so what do you write? Multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12. All these are the multiple of 3. If a one number is a multiple of another, it will divide exactly and with no remainder. Means if a number is dividing another number and leaving no remainder, it means that that number is a multiple of previous number. Clear? So 6, 12 is a multiple of 2 because we have no remainder left. Clear? So we have infinite number of multiples. Clear, students? Now these are the facts which are given on the page number 72. What you have to do, you have to underline all the points and no need to write in the copy, only in the book you write down read word. Means you have to read this one points from the book only. First point is every number is a multiple of itself. Means 8 is a multiple of 8 only. Means 1 into 8 is 8. Every number is a multiple of 1, means if you are multiplying any number by 1, you get same number only. The first and smallest multiple of every number is a number itself. Means if I am talking about 7, so 7 is the first and smallest multiple of that one number. Then comes fourth point. Fourth point is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. See 11. If I am talking about multiple of 11, so first multiple is 11, means equals to that one number or greater than 11. Multiples are 22, 33, so on. Clear? Multiples of number are infinite and unlimited. Means infinite and unlimited means same thing. Clear? Means we have and number of multiples. Clear, students? So you have to underline this one points in the book only. And 6 and 7 point is also given on page number 73. This one points also you have to underline. Clear, students? So multiple of 2 are always an even number, and number which are not multiple of 2 all are called odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And 0 is a multiple of every non-zero number. Clear? So these one point you have to underline in the book only. Now student, we will start activity 1 of multiples chapter. Question number 1 is find the first 5 multiples. Now student, what I will do H part, J part and L part for you because the numbers are big, and in the homework you have to do A part, C part and E part. Clear? This is your homework. Circle 1 is the homework for you. That one you have to do in your maths copy, and what the table parts left, that one do practice in the maths rough copy. Clear, students? So I have to write down the first 5 multiple of 23, means table of 23 till 5. So see, firstly 23 multiples of 23 are 23. 23 ones are 23. I will write only answer. 23 twos are 46. Firstly I have written the table here. You can write like this manner also. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46. So then after this you write the answer here 46. Then 23 threes are 69, so you write 69. Then 23 fours are 92, and then 23 fives are 115. Like this manner you write down the multiple of 23. Multiple means table. Now student, we do question number 1, J part, 29. Multiple of 29 is 29. Then 29 twos are 58. I have written in rough work also. You also write like this manner. 29 threes are 87. You can multiply in the rough work and then write down if the numbers are big. Otherwise table students know till 15. If you don't know, please learn table till 15. Everybody must know the table till 15. 29 fours are 116 and 29 fives are 145. Clear students? Now L part we do. Multiple of 35 mean table of 35 till 5. 35 ones are 35. 35 twos are 70. 35 threes are 105. 35 fours are 140. 35 fives are 175. Clear students? Now we do question number 2. In question number 2 students, I do A part and D part. Clear? So please mark these one parts. B and C is a homework for you. What we have to do in question 2, you have to tell is 28 is a multiple of 5. Beta, when we are telling is 28 is a multiple of 5, what we have to do? These type of question we have to divide. Means 28 I have to divide by 5. If remainder left, then we say no. If remainder not left, we write yes, it is a multiple of that one number. So see how we do. Is 28 is a multiple of 5, you have to write like this manner in the maths copy. Divide 28 and 5. Now see, 3 left as a remainder. So it means that no, 28 is not a multiple of 5. Clear? B and C part is the homework for you. So now I am doing D part. Is 182 is a multiple of 7? What we do? Again we do division. 182 I have to divide by 7. 7 twos are 14. So 18 minus 14 is 4. Now 4 is smaller than 7. I will take 2 down. It will become 42. 7 6 are 42. Minus it, answer come 26 and no remainder left. So it means 182 is a multiple of 7. Clear students? Now student, there is question number 3 given. That one question no need to do it. Clear? So cross it. We will do question number 4. Encircle the multiple of 9. Means you have to see whatever the numbers are coming in 9 table, circle it, and this one question you have to do in the maths book only. 54 come in 9 table? Yes. Add 9 6 are 54. 9 table 48 come students? No, 9 table 48 does not come. Clear? 9 table 27 come? 9 3s are 27. Clear? Now 9 table 49 come? No, it does not come. 9 table 36 come? Yes, 9 4s are 30 and 9 7s are 63. So please underline this one in the book only. Now student, we do activity 2. In this also student, I will do D part, E part and F part. Leave this G and H part because G and H part you will do in the rough copy, not in the maths copy. You do G and H part in the rough copy. All the parts are same, but there are so many parts, so you G and H part you do in the maths rough. Yeah, clear student? So I am doing D and F part for you, and student A to C part is a homework for you. That one you have to do by yourself because numbers are small and you know the table also. Big one numbers I will do for you. Firstly, understand what we have to do in this one questions. List the first 10 multiples. Means you have to write down the table of the number which are given down till 10. Means 2 10. The 20 till there you have to write. Then you find the common multiple. Common multiple, which one number are common in both the tables. That one you have to circle. And then you find the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple you have to find. So see how we do. I am doing D part. You have to write like this manner in the copy. Firstly 9 table you write. Multiple table of 9. 9, 18, 27. Full table you write till 10. Clear? Then you write down the table of 12. As I have written 12, 24, 36, 48. Full table I have written. Now you see which number is common in both the table. 36 means 36 is coming in 9 table also and in 12 table also. So we will circle them. Clear? Now see another number which is common in both the table, that is 72 and 72. So we will circle it. Now student, we will write, these are called common multiple. Which one? This one, 36 and 72. Both I will write down in 36 and 72 in common multiple. Now we write lowest common multiple. Now see, in common multiple, which one is the lowest? Lowest means smallest. Smallest is 36, so LCM is 36. Clear? Similarly, we do E part. Mean all the part of this one question are same. Firstly, we write the table of 3. 3 table 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. All the table I have written of 3. Then I write down the table of 9. Same table we will copy from D part in E. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Now students see which one are common multiple in both the table. If I find out 9 is common in 3 table and 9 table, so I will write in here also. Then see 18 is common in 3 and 9 table, we will write here. Then see 27 and 27 is common in 9 table, we will write there. Now in common multiple, which one is the lowest common multiple? That is 9. So we write LCM is equals to 9. Clear students? Now we do F part. F part is very much easy. You have to write down the table of 10 and 20. 10 table every child knows. Table of 10 till 10 I have written, then 20 table I will write down. Then see which number are common. 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. I will circle them. Clear? Now see which one is lowest common, that is 20. So I will write LCM is 20. So students, today you have learned what are multiple. Multiples are table only. So you have to write down the table. If they said you write down the table till first 5, then you have to write down till 5. If they tell you write down the first 10 multiple, you have to write down the table till 10. Clear? Then you have learned after finding what are the multiple. You have seen if they write is 28 is the multiple of 3. What do? You divide. If the remainder left, you will say no. If remainder not left, you write yes, it is a multiple. Then you understand how to find a common multiple. If the any multiple is present in both the multiple or 3 multiple, what do? Write down in common multiples. Then from common multiples you will find out which one is the lowest common multiple. You write in LCM, because LCM means least common multiple, or you can say the lowest common multiple. Understood? So student, after this I have given you some homework. This chapter is big, so you will have to do this one chapter more practice. So for the practice I have given more work, so no problem, you have to do it. Question number 1 ACE part, it's very easy, hardly take 5 minutes of yours. Question 2 also take 5 minutes of yours, means 10 minutes. Question number 1 of activity 2 will take more time, because it's table. When you write table it takes time, otherwise it's easy. So this one is the homework for you, so please student you have to complete it. So thank you and have a nice day.